Mazda North American Operations President and CEO Jeff Guyton drives in the first 2023 Mazda CX-50 to roll off the Discovery line at Mazda's new Huntsville, Alabama plant. Mazda Toyota Manufacturing is a $2.3 billion joint venture partnership between Mazda Motor Corporation and Toyota Motor Corporation. The first ever CX-50, produced in the US, is made specifically for the North American market. MTM began operation in September 2021 and will produce 300,000 vehicles annually. Up to 150,000 units are expected to be built each year for both Toyota and Mazda. The plant will employ up to 4,000 workers. Additionally, several thousand workers are expected to be employed by suppliers. The 2023 Mazda CX-50 is an all-new, rugged and capable crossover SUV. As has become expected of Mazda's vehicles, the CX-50 offers superior driving dynamics and a beautiful design, while also enabling drivers to venture further into the outdoors in various terrains. The first ever CX-50 will be equipped as standard with the latest iActive all-wheel drive technology and new Mazda Intelligent Drive Select, or Mi Drive. The new drive modes can be selected with the Mi Drive switch and will help the crossover SUV drive naturally in a wide variety of conditions, such as in exciting off-road terrain or providing reliable towing capabilities. At launch, CX-50 will be available with Mazda's efficient powertrains, SkyActiv G2.5 naturally aspirated engine or SkyActiv G2.5 turbo engine, and paired with a responsive 6-speed automatic transmission. In the coming years, the CX-50 will also be offered with electrified powertrains, including a traditional hybrid model. More information about our electrified models will be shared at a later date. The interior of CX-50 is well crafted and features a layout focused on the driver. It also offers Mazda's first ever panoramic moonroof, helping the occupants feel more connected to nature. To further support CX-50's presence in the outdoor space, its designs are more than just beautiful, they are also functional. While the interior provides comfort to all passengers, the cargo space is thoughtfully designed to help support and enable outdoor activities. The vehicle's height and length are ideal for easily loading and securing common outdoor equipment. Additionally, the high-strength roof rails and reinforced B-pillars and door jambs add to the usability of securing equipment on the roof of CX-50.